It's a motto for a happy, healthy life for kids and adults. Everybody plays and exercises. Easier said than done for people with disabilities, but AAA State of Play makes it easier and offers many choices to get it done. Playgrounds with any kind of public access must meet Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA, standards. That means wheelchair accessibility and a certain amount of handicap-accessible playground equipment. This playground we installed has something for everyone, special needs or not. It's totally accessible thanks to ramps, play equipment on all levels, and poured rubber surfacing. Everyone plays together, but there are simpler ways to make sure everyone who wants to play can play. Let's start with swings and swing seats. This playground has an ADA combination swing, a molded swing seat next to a heavy-duty wheelchair swing, accommodating kids and adults. Fun and freedom should not have an age limit. We have several choices of adaptive swing seats, which hold special needs children safely and securely. These seats can often be accommodated on regular swing frames.
You fit perfect in there. Look at you.
Most of his senses are compromised, so he's deaf, he's blind, he has no olfactory, so he can't smell. So he relies on input, touch, and just vibration.
The JennSwing is another ADA-approved full-body seat that lets children, from babies to kids up to 125 pounds, experience the exhilaration and joy of swinging.
Swinging is probably one of Ollie's absolute favorite things to do in the world.
Wheelchairs are welcome here. Sometimes it doesn't take much, a single ramp to clear borders and barriers. We have several types of ramps to help special needs people enter and exit a play area. Merry-go-rounds are another playground staple. We installed this molded merry-go-round that provides easier access for the mobility impaired. Age and ability are no limits to play and exercise. Sit or stand, work the arms, hands, and shoulders with our stationary hand bike. This upper body cycle is simple to use, good for building endurance and strength in the torso, shoulders, and arms. This lat pull down works the upper body and back for young and old. Same with the chest press, everyone can use. ADA accessible picnic tables and all sorts of play and learning panels for ground level and above are even more examples of how AAA State of Play helps every body play.